So for my synthesis project, I decided to focus on balanced literacy because that is the umbrella that everything falls under. And balanced literacy focuses on whole language, on phonics, and it's made up of the guided reading, shared reading, the writing process, interactive read alouds, and I incorporated the big five in there as well. Um, it creates strategies that you can use in reading and writing that helps with literacy as well. So in shared reading, that's when teachers read with the students. It's guided by the teacher, and the teacher provides support to the students. In guided reading, that is more of a small group reading instruction, and it's really great because it develops reading proficiency, and you're able to see one-on-one what the student needs help in. In an interactive read aloud, that's when the teacher models to the students how to read, and the students are able to talk to their classmates, ask questions, and it helps with comprehension as well. And they're able to also work on their oral fluency. So shared with that is the writing process. And that one's a big one because it is really imperative the students know how to write and that they know the process of writing as well so that they become better writers. And that would start with drafting, revising, editing, and the final step would be publishing. And then the big five. So that would be vocabulary, because vocabulary is very important in reading and writing. And also the phonological awareness, that's going to be units of oral language, and that includes syllabus, onsets, and time. So it's the sound structure of words. And that goes into phonics, which phonics is the development of phonemic awareness. So students are able to identify phonemes, hear phonemes, and be able to manipulate them as well. And phonemes is just a unit of sound. And it goes into fluency because the more that students are able to comprehend, the more vocabulary that they have, the more exposure to phonics they have, they will be phonologically aware and phonemically aware, and that helps with both their oral and their reading and their writing fluency. So that's what I decided to focus on for my synthesis project.